There was a small village. In that village lived a girl named Ria. Ria loved learning. But there was one problem. She was afraid of speaking English. Whenever her teacher asked her to speak, her heart started beating fast. She thought, "What if I make a mistake?" So she stayed quiet. But inside her heart, she had a dream. She wanted to speak English confidently one day. One day her teacher noticed something. "Ria," the teacher said kindly, "why don't you speak in class?" Ria looked down and said softly, "Ma'am, I am afraid of making mistakes." The teacher smiled. "Listen carefully," she said. "Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are steps to learning." Then she gave Ria a simple rule. Speak one sentence in English every day. Just one small step. That evening, Ria stood in front of the mirror. She took a deep breath and said, "Hello. My name is Ria." She smiled. It was a small sentence, but it felt like a big victory. The next day she spoke another sentence. "Today is a beautiful day." Day by day, her confidence started growing. Months passed. One day the teacher asked, "Who wants to tell a story in English?" Before she knew it, Ria raised her hand. The whole class looked at her. She felt nervous. But she remembered the teacher's words. Small steps create big success. And then she started speaking. Slowly, clearly, confidently. The class clapped loudly. Ria smiled with pride. Ria learned something very important. Success does not come from big jumps. It comes from small steps every day. One sentence today. One paragraph tomorrow. One day, you will speak fluently and confidently. Remember this. Sparkles do not fear mistakes. Fear not trying. Because every small step takes you closer to your dream.